The role of prompt engineering in the generative AI revolution. Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to AIorigin, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the world of artificial intelligence. In today's video, we'll be exploring the fascinating realm of prompt engineering and its pivotal role in the generative AI revolution. The past year has seen remarkable advancements in generative AI, particularly with the release of large language models, LLMs. Generative AI has established its presence and promises a bright future in software engineering. These models deliver impressive and sophisticated outputs, and with the right approach, we can guide them to produce desired results. Creating effective interactions with language models is a skill, and this is where prompt engineering comes in. Prompts are crucial for communicating with these models. In this video, we'll explore the essentials of prompt engineering. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the foundational step in interacting with LLMs. It involves designing meaningful instructions to help generative AI models yield better responses. This process requires careful word selection and contextual detail. Just as training a puppy with positive reinforcement involves rewards and treats, prompt engineering aims to refine AI outputs. It helps mitigate issues like bias, hallucinations, and inaccuracies commonly produced by LLMs. Techniques in prompt engineering. Understanding LLM capabilities and crafting effective prompts unlocks a wide range of possibilities. Let's delve into various prompt engineering techniques. Zero-shot prompting, providing a prompt without examples. Suitable for general tasks where the LLM can generate creative content based on its language understanding. One-shot prompting, including one example of the desired output with the prompt, guiding the LLM towards a specific style, tone, or topic. Few-shot prompting, providing a few examples, typically 2 to 4, to ensure consistency and accuracy, useful for generating text in a specific format or domain. Chain of thought prompts, breaking down complex tasks into manageable steps to foster reasoning and logic, similar to solving a math problem in stages. Contextual augmentation, adding relevant background information to enhance accuracy and coherence, like enriching a historical fiction prompt with detailed era research. Meta prompts and prompt combinations, fine-tuning overall LLM behavior by blending multiple prompting styles and leveraging overarching principles. Human in the loop, integrating human feedback to iteratively refine prompts, creating a collaborative interaction between humans and LLMs for improved outcomes. Experimentation is key. Tailor your prompts to your specific goals and embrace the iterative process. Best practices in prompt engineering. To achieve the best results, follow these practices. Clarity and specificity. Provide clear, specific instructions, desired formats, and output lengths. Think of it as giving detailed directions rather than vague guidance. Example, power. Show the model what you want with examples, guiding it towards your vision, much like showing pictures of a destination instead of just an address. Word choice matters. Use clear, direct language and avoid slang or complex vocabulary. The model interprets literally, so speak plainly to ensure understanding. Iteration and experimentation. Expect to revise and refine your prompts. It's like perfecting a recipe through trial and error. Model awareness. Understand the strengths and limitations of the specific model. Some models excel at factual tasks, others at creative writing. Choose the right tool for your needs. Safety and bias. Be aware of potential biases and avoid discriminatory language. Use prompts that promote inclusivity and ethical considerations. By following these best practices, you can effectively craft prompts and harness the full potential of large language models. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to AIorigin for more insights and tutorials on the fascinating world of AI. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.